Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use a bonus bet on Hard Rock Bet. And it's really easy and simple. So first things first, guys, what we're going to be doing is you want to open up the Hard Rock Bet app. Or you want to visit their website and log into your account. Make sure you have active bonus bet available. Make sure you have an active bonus bet available. And you can check this by going to the promotions or my rewards tab. Okay. Go to that section, and then once confirmed, guys, what you want to do is you want to head over to the sports betting section, and you want to browse the games or events you want to wager on. Just select a match and choose the odds that you want to bet on. And when you're ready, guys, you want to go to your bet slip. Here you will see an option to use your bonus bet instead of your cash balance. Select this option and then confirm the wager. And remember, guys, bonus bets only pay out the winnings and not the stake itself. For example, if you place a $20 bonus bet at 200 odds plus 200 odds and you win, you'll receive the $40 as winnings. And that's it, guys. Using bonus bets is a great way to enhance your betting experience without risking your own money. So I hope this video helps you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, so you get notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.